Good morning. I hope everybody enjoyed their long weekend. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020, and I'm ready to get back in action. Can't wait to see all of you today. We have quite a busy day after the time off. So let's take a peek at our daily planner. For math today, you're going to do a Anthony's problem graph, which is a student book page 219. Today in Reading Core, we've really cut back and we're going to focus on our Reader's Theater and Woods Runner this week. So there isn't any other new learning with a Wonder Bubble or with another Houghton Mifflin book. So for Reader's Theater, you're going to read and listen, I guess, to chapter 12. But I want to encourage you to listen to it too, because Miss Bayer did an awesome job taping that chapter, and you can also follow along as well. So check out the attachment of chapter 12 so you can listen and follow along. And then answer the discussion thread that's also attached in that folder. For the American Revolution Readers Theater, today we're actually going to be sharing out at our live meeting, Act 1, the Boston Tea Party. So those of you that are supposed to be sharing out today for the Boston Tea Party, which I can read for you in just a moment, you are going to share during that time, but everyone is going to be present at the meeting. And then we're going to have some of the questions that are the discussion questions that we will be doing are also going to be part of our discussion thread after our live meeting. Continue to add to your real-time journal. In social studies today, it's our share day, the Road to Revolution project. I know you guys have been working really hard on your projects, all three of those projects. So today is your share day, and we're going to do it in a different way than we have in the past. We're going to do a small group meeting, and each one of you will get an opportunity to share out your project in small groups. So make sure, the only thing I ask is that you have all three of your projects uploaded before your meeting time, and then I have access to it too, just in case something goes wrong with technology. In science, there is no new learning. You're going to make sure that you are going to get yourself caught up this week. After looking at the data, only about a quarter of you have been completing all of the assignments regularly. So if that's the case, it looks to me like as a teacher, I have to give you some more time for that, because that shouldn't be happening. So hopefully this week you have time to get all caught up, and make sure you go through each one of those folders, please. And the homeroom question of the day is, what makes you happiest and why? And lastly, here's your Flipgrid code here. I want to make sure we go over our face-to-face meeting schedule today, because it does look just a little bit different. I will not have office hours today because we will have so many face-to-face meetings. So our small group individual meetings will kind of take place of those office hours today. Your small group meeting is attached, and this is when you will be sharing out for your project. So you can see here, starting at 10 a.m., there's a list of students. Then I've got 10:30 a.m. another group, at 11 another group, 11:30 another group, and noon another group. And then lastly, we are also going to have a live lesson at 1 o'clock where we are going to share out our Reader's Theater. And we're going to do the Boston Tea Party. So I'm excited to hear how our Reader's Theater goes today. And if there are any questions, please make sure that you send me a message or an email so that I can help you out today, being that I don't have any office hours, and I will see you soon.